Hi, I'm Dan Dalton, the program manager for the Diversified Vegetable Apprenticeship program sponsored by PASA. The DVA is a registered apprenticeship in Pennsylvania that is sponsored and supported by PASA and exists on farms around the state. The program was established in 2019 and it is registered with the Pennsylvania Department of Labor and Industry. We train farmers for careers as diversified vegetable farm managers and in allied professions and careers. The experience itself is 3,000 hours total, with about 2,800 hours of on-the-job training and about an additional 200 hours of related technical instruction. The on-the-job training is exactly what it sounds like. It's working on the farm, sort of day in and day out throughout the season. The actual length of the season can vary depending on the farm. But we need to end up at about that 2,800 hours across two or more seasons. That additional 200 hours of related technical instruction is more formal, structured trainings. That's things like the PASA conference, the Mid-Atlantic Fruit and Vegetable Conference, which we have a partnership with, workshops, field days, and webinars that can happen both in season and out of season. For apprentices. Most of that RTI training for apprentices happens, in the shoulders, fall, winter, and spring, and then most of your on-the-job training happens spring, summer, and fall. It is a paid training experience, so you do have a starting wage and an hourly rate, and there are structured and scheduled raises throughout. So after 750 hours, there's a raise. And after another 1,000 hours after that, there's a second raise that's built into the schedule. The specific starting wage and then the raise rates can vary from farm to farm. So that is something that if you are considering the program or you're thinking about it, you want to talk about either with us as a program or with the farmer that you might be interested in applying with. Our process for apprentices is a two-step process. You can submit an inquiry form on our website, pasafarming.org/DVA, and that make sure that you meet our minimum requirements. If you do, then you'll be passed along to the full application, which is more extensive about your farming history, your educational history, and some of your work history, and that helps to build out your profile, which is how you connect with farmers. Once a full application is approved, then we have a web-based portal that you can use to actually connect with farmers. For farmers, it's a little bit easier. It's a single-step application where you just hop into the portal, submit an application, and once those are approved, they are visible to apprentices to match with. Hope if you're interested in the program, you can feel free to reach out to me, dan@pasafarming.org by email. And feel free to take a look at the website. Again, that's pasafarming.org/DVA for additional information. Thanks.